is Tashi Bashir here. According to Jim Rohn, you can do the most remarkable things no matter what happens. As you know, Jim Rohn grew up in the farm and he didn't enjoy the advantages of the wealthy life. But it doesn't matter. Matters your hard working, your passion, and your dedication. That's all it matters in your life. If you lost 7 times, but try again at the 8th time. Like Jim Rohn started his life struggling at the age of 25. He lost his all passion and dedication. But at the age of 25, when he started his hard working, till 33, at the age of 33, he became a millionaire. And again he lost his all $1 million, and again he started his business to become again millionaire. The main thing, he was dedicated. He said that whether we win or whether you earn $1 million, you best thing is quickly you learn how to become a millionaire. Otherwise, you will lose it.
Okay, thank you. Few errors of pronunciation, otherwise good.